Hello guys, for today's video, we're back once again for more sit, and this is Through the Fire in Pronto with Troy Laureta. I am new YouTuber, new content creator, and yes, a new reactor also from the Philippines, Kababayan Morissette. I'm just excited to react once again, and I hope you enjoy and entertain this reaction video with me. Yeah, I'm just really excited once again because she is amazing, she's incredible. Let's go. Like that, or is it like super close with the people? Like, I don't know, it's not a bar or an event or something. Wow. Like a free concert. My goodness. They're so lucky. This is Morrison. She is incredible. Si Mori talaga. Plakado palagi. She is underrated. Bakit nag-English ako? Pwede. Ihahalo lang natin, guys. Kasi marami din palang nanonood ng mga foreigners. Taglish lang tayo. Let's get it. I want you so I'm ready to go. Grabe, kahit saan pumunta yung mga Pinoy, yung mga singers, wala akong masabi. Sobrang galing. Mori, grabe ka. Grabe ka. This is impromptu, guys. Biglaan lang to, but she's always ready because she is a fighter. She's a Pinay, guys. Pinay is palaban at magaling. Nilalaro lang niya yun. Grabe ka, Mori. Alam ko, lahat ng mga foreigner na nandiyan, gulat na gulat. Wow, who's this? From the Philippines. Yeah, syempre nakaka-proud pag may mga ganyan. Kahit hindi nga artist, pag may Pinay, Pinoy, mga Pilipino na kumakanta sa ibang bansa, or nare-recognize na, or nagagalingan yung mga foreigners, syempre sobrang proud tayo, nakangiti tayo, kahit even me. Ang tagal na to, but grabe sobrang happy lang ako, proud. Na sabihin na grabe ang galing talaga ng Pinoy 'no, the best. Nag-create na siya. Grabe, 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 grabe yun. Ang taas din ng boses ng babae, ah. Yung parang host or siya yung para siyang special guest lang si ano diyan, si Morissette. Siya talaga yung ano diyan na band, vocalist, main vocalist. Yes. Bakulaw kung pinapakita ni Mars, okay, Pinoy ako, kailangan umangat ako. Ganun eh. Grabe, parang competition guys, ang galing. Grabe, ang galing ni Morissette. Grabe, yun, nilalaro eh, pakulaw. Galing.
Just so you guys understand, they never performed together. It's the first time she's here. We just met her a few minutes ago, and she just happened to be and perform for us. This is the magic of every Tuesday night. You never know who's going to be here, but you know it's going to be good.
Wow. Yes, you know what? Even in Pronto, just 1 minute, she can do it. It's Morissette. It's a Pinay. Let's go. Thank you.